Okay, so I figured I'd make a little video here, if I can zoom in here, of a worn bushing on an Urgos UW32 1A movement. Yep, in Germany. I bought this on eBay for $45 to put into a clock. It would also obviously probably cost way more than $45 to fix this worn bushing. Well, I don't have the tools to do it. But yes, that is what a worn bushing looks like. So see how it's kind of old out there? Over time, this gear has eaten away at the brass, and it's kind of... Oh, shit. This camera's not the greatest. But yeah, over time it's eating away at the brass, and it's just ovaled itself out. Like, for example, that's what good bushing, or good enough bushing at least, should look like. This is probably a 30-year-old movement. I'm sorry the camera's really shaky, because I'm just filming this on my phone, but oh shoot. Yeah, that doesn't have a lot of play in it. I mean, it has some play. Some play is fine. Maybe move the right thing. I don't know. Maybe move this one. Yeah. See, that's another one that's okay. Or good enough for me at least. But yeah, that one is shot. And usually there's a general rule. Some people choose to go by, some people don't. That if it's like a certain percentage, like 30%, I think. Hold on 1 second. If it's only like 30% overlapped or ovaled, then it's probably fine to run. But this is probably nearly 60 or 70%. At least that's what it looks like to me. And that would really need a new bushing. There was a lot of dirt in that hole. And I actually took some out. Still looks pretty dirty, but yeah, as you can see, in there for toothpick. Yeah, it's moving around pretty fierce. It was worse. It was much worse. But yep, that's what a worn bushing looks like. And it kind of sucks. But I think I'm just going to run with it. I mean, I'm not sure what exactly the gear it goes to is called, but I want to say it's part of the time mechanism. Or maybe the chime mechanism, one of the two. I don't know. We'll see if it works, I guess. I don't expect it to work for a long time, but be interesting to see, I guess. So, thanks for watching.